Okay, hello guys, it's Yaeeeee again. Sorry I'm not posting any videos today. So, here's a new video that I'm uploading right now. So, this is my Skype account. So, if you want to contact me on Skype, my Skype name is OOXXYellowXXLO. So yeah, I'm going to be doing echo sound test service. And yeah, so I haven't posted any videos. Uh-oh. Oh my goodness. Oh, he's going right in this mood. When he's done crying, I'm gonna do an echo sound test service. He's done crying. So yeah, so wanna add me? Don't mind about the history search. So this is it right here. Copy and paste it on my community post. So yeah, we're gonna do it right now because he's done crying. Here we go.
Hello, welcome to Skype call testing service. After the beep, please record a message. Afterwards, your message will be played back to you.
Hello, I'm 3 and I only like myself and the others can go jump off a cliff. Hey, you're rude. I do not care. Hello, I'm 3 and I only like myself and the others can go jump off a cliff. Hey, you're rude. I don't care. I messed that up. I'm gonna do another recording. Okay,
Hello, welcome to
I
Skype
had an
call testing
idea.
service. After the beep, please record a message. Afterwards, your message will be played back to you.
Haha, I eat all apples. Oh no, save some for me. No, I have crippling depression. Haha, I eat all apples. Oh no, save some for me. No, I have crippling depression. Sounds like Windows XP. So I haven't got any contacts and yeah, so thank you guys for watching. So this is a new video from now on. Goodbye.